Yeah, like
They need a bigger pool, don't they?
Yeah, they do.
It in a while.
look how smushed together they're getting.
Yeah. Oh yeah. See. Oh, he's waking up for that. Got tail going.
See, when they're babies, they would do that.
Oh look! Oh, one tried to get in on the step.
Yeah, I don't think they get the step,
No, not really. But
the physics of the step.
Broke down and got some sod for the inner part.
Oh, you did? Did it this morning.
Yeah.
That's cool. They'll like that, right?
Yeah.
Just gonna, well, you know, you're not gonna have to water
Vinny
it.
the dog. Hey, buddy.
It's gonna get real crazy.
Yeah. The water?
No.
For the sod. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, if he was feeling his normal self,
He'd be going nuts.
right
Oh,
now.
really?
Oh, yeah. He'd be screaming.
I can't believe those other two aren't in there yet.
Oh, yeah.
Well, I feel like they're
Grandma'd be
hanging
getting
out
ripped to
right there.
shreds right now.
Yeah, she would.
Sure wants to chase them.
Oh, yeah. He'd have him, I think, no problem. You want me to hold it?